الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing.
So let's go to Al Jadaf Station. Hindi ko naman tawag dito, pero ticketing office siya para makapag-boat ka going to Al Jadaf, to Festival City, or Al Jadaf to Creek Harbor, or Al Jadaf to Dubai Design District. So kumuha na kami ng ticket kasi pupunta kami ng
to Dubai Festival City.
We're going to ride this boat.
Wala pang view eh.
Look at that boat behind you.
Let it look. We're going. We're riding. We're going to DFC.
We're good. Hi.
What up to that boat?
What?
Hi guys.
It's clean.
Yeah, no, na dirty na. We're going. Look at the view, guys. Andito lang pala, oh. Ang lapit lang pala natin. Papunta pala dun yung ano, kasi maganda yung view. Pag ganun yun, no, yung Creek Harbor doon. Maganda. Eric, look at... Kakain. Kakain. Yummy! Naulog my girl.
What is that purple thing?
Just arrived. We're here. We just docked. Alright.
Window shopping and pasyal-pasyal. And ito yung sasakyan namin mamaya pa uwi.
Wisam. Ay, sorry. Wisam in Mindanao. Where are they?
Oh, and Mama have
Select na.